Welcome to Sakmods. I've got a 65mm build here. Some of the parts are from a Wenger Pocket Tool Chest, and then this one does have the Victorinox Nail Clipper in it. And this does have the flashlight, and it does work. You've got the tweezer. Let's get into the tools here. We've got the Wenger Pen Blade here. I harvested it from a pocket tool chest. Same with the scissors, also from the pocket tool chest. We've got the combo tool, also from the pocket tool chest with the slotted tip screwdriver, cap lifter, bottle opener, and the wire stripper. The nail file from the pocket tool chest. And then the Victorinox Nail Clipper. Their nail clippers work pretty well. I really like them. Thought that was pretty ingenious to include them in a small Swiss Army knife. Alright, that is going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.